Welcome back. Beach erosion has become a worry to the locals of Kolwa. Due to incessant rains, many coconut trees have uprooted on the shore and some are on the verge to wither. The retaining wall of the high post lamp has also collapsed due to rain. The lamp is in a rickety condition and with strong winds, the lamp is posing a threat to the tourists and locals. Have a look.
One lamp post आहा तो आमगे high mast आहा तेंगा त्यागे effects जालो आणि सगळी तेंगा साइडची सगळी माती वंजरावन गेली completely आणि सांगोंक जायना आणि थोड्या दिसांनी कितें जायत तें कितल्या इतलो राफ जालो दोयरो इतलो राफ जालो आहा.
Dempo Sports Club have now put more emphasis on youth development in the pursuit of a viable business model. New coach Arthur Papas has committed to more grassroots talents into capable players to bank on for the future. The most successful Indian club presented the Australian coach to the media and unveiled their new jersey on Saturday.
Formerly the coach of Arrows, the experimental AIFF outfit, Papas has a good idea about the mega challenge that awaits him at Dempo.
It's an honour to take on a challenge like this with such a big club, and Abhijit mentioned the success of the past 8 years on the field. And I think the main thing with bringing myself on board, and I'm not new to Indian football, that's the first thing, is really you look at the youth structure as well of the club for the long term. So it becomes a much more viable model for the future as well for Mr. Dempo.
Dempo Group Chairman Srinivas Dempo unveiled the new jersey.
The aspirations and the hope of Papa's joining and trying to change the whole model is keeping with times. And as he says, we are not interested in changing everything. We are interested in changing where things haven't gone right. So right from day one, he's concentrated on things like fitness, where we felt was our weakness at Dempo's in the past. That's why we got an expert conditioning and fitness coach. I've told him to focus a lot on youth development, and he's promised me that he will make that his focus, and if need be, we change the way things that we are doing so that more and more young talent is spotted, because that's our hope for Indian football, that we choose people from grassroots, we choose boys from grassroots and develop them all the way.
Physical conditioning coach Rafael Napoli also faces the task of correcting the diet pattern of the players.
I'm not looking to change everything, but I saw some cakes on the table and I probably thought they didn't need the cakes. They could have had some fruit or something like that. So, yeah, look, it's going to be a slow transition with everything.
One from the old regime and a long-serving employee, Mauricio Afonso admitted that he will have to adjust to the Papa's way of coaching, as every coach has a different philosophy. Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Panji.
If you have missed a bulletin, you can log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.